Hello students, this is Vikram Vikas. I am here to teach you mathematics and the chapter we are going to study about is trigonometry, right? So the particular topic we have to discuss is trigonometric ratio. First of all, we will try to understand the term trigonometry. So what is trigonometry actually? Trigonometry is the branch of mathematics that deals with the angles and the sides of the triangle. Okay. Second thing, what is trigonometric ratio? Trigonometric ratio is the relationship or is the ratio between two sides which relate with an acute angle in a particular right angle triangle. What is the need of trigonometric ratio? Why should we study trigonometric ratio? Let's try to understand with taking a very easy example. Okay, so just suppose here is a person Ram. Okay, and this is a tower where Ram actually wants to climb. Okay, so this is the tower AB, and here Ram stays. Okay, so now try to fix a protractor here. Now if we try to calculate the angle, like this is eyesight of Ram, and if we try to find the angle where Ram actually stay, so suppose this angle is 60 degree. Okay, and we can easily determine the distance between Ram and the base of the tower. So just assume this is 20 meter. Okay, now we have to find what? We have to find the height of the tower. How can we find? Here actually trigonometric ratio comes. How? Now you tell me, this is what kind of angle? This is actually acute angle. So we have to find AB, which is just opposite to this acute angle. 20 meter, this is adjacent side, right? So opposite by adjacent, that means tan theta. Tan theta equals to opposite by adjacent. So now tan value of theta is 60 degree, opposite AB, adjacent 20 meter, value of tan 60 root 3 AB by 20. So AB equals to 20 root 3 meter. So that means trigonometric ratios help us to find the distance or the dimension or the length by using a right angle triangle, or by using trigonometric ratios we can easily find the distance between any two points. Alright, so we all know there are 6 trigonometric ratios, right? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. So if we will take a daily life example, so we can easily say that trigonometric ratios help us to find the height, help us to find the length, and help us to find some particular angles as well. Okay, I mean to say that if we know the actual height of a mountain, so suppose this is a mountain, and here is the path from where we have to climb on this mountain. We actually know this time the height of the mountain, which is suppose 100 meter. Okay, but we don't know the length of this path. So what is this? This is hypotenuse. Because we all know this is vertical, that's why right angle is here. So this is the longest side, that means this is hypotenuse. Now we can easily find the angle. So just suppose this is 45 degree. Okay. Now tell me, we have given the height of this mountain. That means opposite by, we have to find the hypotenuse. We have to find the length of the path. That means we have to find the hypotenuse. So opposite by hypotenuse is what? Sine theta. What is opposite? 100 meter. 100 meter. Hypotenuse, suppose this is AB, and the value of sine theta, that means sine 45 is, what is the value of sine 45? That is 1 by root 2. So AB equals to 100 root 2 meter. That's all about trigonometric ratios. Thank you.